The ongoing joke amongst Tesla fans is that Elon Musk and Tesla are hardly ever great at meeting deadlines, and the Giga Texas and Giga Berlin were no exception. In terms of the fate of these two factories, would 2022 be any different? Well, 2022 appears to be a promising year for Tesla, since it appears to be the year of the Gigafactory. Stick around till the end of the video, where we'll be going over Giga Berlin and more. Tesla has been developing its first plant in Europe under a temporary permission procedure, and the launch date has been pushed back multiple times. Elon Musk predicted that Giga Berlin would acquire the license to begin mass production of the Model Y by December of last year. However, bureaucratic roadblocks and a legal battle over the plant's water consumption caused the final clearance to be postponed. Tesla CEO Elon Musk stated during the company's Q4 2021 earnings call that Giga Texas and Giga Berlin are both awaiting clearance from key regulatory authorities to begin production. Tesla's Austin Gigafactory. Tesla's major goal is to speed up the world's transition to sustainable energy by making electric vehicles and energy services more accessible. Tesla will need the entire global supply of lithium-ion batteries to ramp up manufacturing to 500,000 cars per year. The Austin area location was initially revealed in July 2020, following the approval of more than $60 million in combined tax cuts for Tesla by Travis County and the Del Valle School District. The Gigafactory might eventually employ 10,000 people. The Tesla Gigafactory was built out of need and will be able to meet Tesla's estimated car demand. The $1.1 billion factory in southeast Travis County just began producing Tesla's Model Y SUV, and soon will also create the Cybertruck, Semi, and Model 3 sedans. Hundreds of Tesla Model Y all-electric crossovers have been sighted in the Gigafactory Texas parking areas in recent weeks, with some of them being loaded onto trucks and taken to unknown locations. Following EPA certification, Tesla will be allowed to begin shipping units of its Austin-built Model Y all-electric crossover from Gigafactory Texas. These Model Ys are now being constructed using Tesla's newest 4680 battery cells and different structural battery packs, but it has yet to receive a certificate of conformity, which is required before a car can be sold. Certificates of conformity are the EPA's official permission that a vehicle may enter the market. A certificate of conformity must accompany the vehicle if it is to be sold. The certificates are only valid for a single model year, and every year, new models are sent to the EPA's testing center in Ann Arbor, Michigan, to ensure they meet the agency's emissions regulations. Tesla's Model Y built in Austin will also be a 2022 Model Y, which means it will comply with the EPA's certificate of conformity, despite the fact that the geographic site of the manufacturing has no bearing on whether or not a car meets the EPA's criteria. Even if the changes occur in the same model year, adjustments to the vehicle's battery pack might trigger the EPA to reconsider certifying the vehicle. The EPA, however, decided to certify the Austin-built Model Y separately due to the improvements made to the car. Tesla held a battery day in September 2020 to reveal a revolutionary cell and manufacturing design that would improve car safety and structural integrity. Musk revealed the 4680 battery cell, the new EV battery with increased range, power, and performance, as well as a longer life cycle. Tesla has begun mass producing the cell at its Fremont factory in Northern California at a site known as Cato Road. To date, no Tesla vehicle equipped with the 4680 cells has been driven by a customer. The Model Y produced in Texas will be the first Tesla car to be equipped with the upgraded 4680 battery pack. According to the automaker, Tesla's structural battery pack will also be used in the car. The structural battery pack employs negative mass engineering, similar to that of an airplane wing, to boost structural integrity and density. A structural glue and flame retardant will be used to bind the cell to the pack's floor and ceiling, enhancing rigidity and preventing substantial deformation in the event of a collision. But first, let's get back to the updates. According to Elon Musk, a grand opening party for the Austin area Tesla Gigafactory is scheduled for April 7th. Travis County commissioners agreed on Tuesday, March 8th to have a public hearing on the event on March 22nd. The event permission is for April 7th at the Gigafactory site, according to the county paperwork. It will be able to hold up to 15,000 people, and only those aged 21 and up will be served alcohol. The event will include interactive tours, refreshments, and a variety of live entertainment. Only ticketed and invited guests will be admitted. More than 430 made in Texas or MIT Tesla Model Ys are shown in the newest flyover footage taken over the Tesla Giga Austin factory on March 9th. That's more than 200 higher than it was on February 27th, when the previous count was about 230. It appears the average daily rise in the number of automobiles in front of the facility is greater. We don't know if it's the total or net difference, because some of the cars may have already been removed, but it's evident that we're in the early stages of the ramp-up. Tesla's newest plant and headquarters isn't Musk's only initiative in the Austin region. The Boring Company has assets in both Pflugerville and Bastrop, and Neuralink has job openings in the region. The Tesla Gigafactory Berlin. The idea of a Tesla Gigafactory in Europe was first discussed in 2015. At the time, the plant was supposed to be a hybrid of an electric battery factory and a car manufacturer. Prior to February 22, 2017, when Tesla began referring to Solar City Gigafactory in Buffalo, New York as Gigafactory 2, the Gigafactory had been referred to as Gigafactory 2 on occasion in Europe. The European Gigafactory was planned to be renamed to Gigafactory 4 or 5 by 2017. It was renamed Gigafactory 4 and subsequently Giga Berlin in November 2019. In early 2020, Tesla began construction on the plant near Berlin. It was planned to open on July 1st, but was delayed due to permission delays and a lizard problem. The company intends to produce 500,000 automobiles at the facility in the future. The Giga Berlin factory, which is in Grünheide, Germany, is a European production facility for Tesla Incorporated Model Y vehicles that will be produced at this factory, which is planned to generate 1 million vehicles per year. This will not only enable the company to develop futuristic cars, but it will also assist them in speeding up the process. Giga Berlin, on the other hand, has been plagued by one delay after another. For a fast-moving business like Tesla, the country's restrictions slowed things down a lot. However, in 2021, Tesla's Giga Berlin proposal was plagued with supply chain difficulties as well as a chip shortage, in addition to not gaining complete permission from the German government. The most recent delay, though, was due to completely other issues. According to a Bloomberg report, building on Tesla's Berlin-Brandenburg factory has been halted owing to a lawsuit filed by environmental NGOs worried that the plant's growth will put an undue strain on the region's water supply. The lawsuit brings up a subject that Elon Musk shrugged off last year. When a journalist questioned Musk in August 2021 about how the Berlin Gigafactory, the fourth Tesla production location, might deplete local water supplies, Musk laughed it off, pointing to adjacent trees and remarking, "We're not in a desert." Well, this joke hasn't aged well. That's all changed now. According to the state of Brandenburg, Tesla gained conditional approval for its German Gigafactory on March 4th, ending months of delays for the €5 billion or $5.5 billion historic project. For Germany and the area, the Tesla facility would be a huge industrial and technical engine. According to unions, some 2,600 of the plant's projected 12,000 workers have been employed so far, and Tesla is in negotiations with a number of local component suppliers to source as much as possible locally, reducing wait times and prices. Regardless, the D-Day delivery celebration for Tesla's Giga Berlin is just around the corner. On March 22, 2022, the event will take place in Giga Berlin. According to various papers that reveal a comprehensive plan of the day, the 3 p.m. time slot appears to be set for an official group photo of consumers receiving delivery of a new Model Y. With over 4,000 people anticipated to attend, the event is being dubbed a big show. The first 30 Model Y crossovers built in Germany will be delivered by Tesla. Customers will be able to see their vehicles roll off the production line while listening to their favorite music. Although the problems appear to have been resolved for the time being, do you believe there will still be delivery issues? Let us know what you think in the comment section.